So for today's tutorial, you're going to select a file coming from Canvas in modules and select one of these three files and download them. Once you've downloaded them, launch Photoshop, click on File in the menu options, and then open and look for the file that you want to open. So in this tutorial, we're going to use the select Y1. And once that is launched and opened, we are ready to work. So the first thing you're going to create is a text layer. Clicking on the T here in your type tool, create a text box and create a word that you want to design with this background. So because it's flowery, I want to make it like look like spring. Okay, so once you've created your word or your text, highlight. If you want to change the size of the font, you can change it. Let's say if I'm going to make it 320, right? That didn't make a lot of difference, but you can change the text as well in here if you want. Once you are satisfied with your text, click on the mark icon. Notice in your layers panel, you have your spring, which is your text layer, and your background. So in your text layer, you selecting your text layer, click on the quick selection tool, which is the fourth tool from the top. What we're going to do is we're going to quickly select the text that we just created. So once that is selected, you can see the tiny ants or running ants around the text. If I hide the text, the ants are still there running. So continue hiding the text layer, and using your move tool, you can change the background of your soon-to-be text. Actually, I don't think I have selected the entire thing, so I make sure that I select the dot response. Here we go. Now you can hide it, and once that's hidden, click on the background layer, go to Layer, New, Layer via Copy. This one we are creating a different layer. So we just created layer 1 in addition to the 2 layers that we had in the past. So if you hide your background, you actually created a text based off of the text that we created, which is spring. If we want to see this with a background, all we have to do is use a move tool and move this somewhere so that it's being displayed. And here we go. Here's our text, spring. And if you want to add just a plain background, hide your background layer and then create a new layer right here and then add a gradient tool, add a new background. Here we go. And you can move this around. That's it. Save it as exercise 1. So file, save as, and instead of making that as your file name it exercise. And still keep it as a Photoshop file because you might want to change it in the future. And then click save. Once this options window come up, just click OK. And there you go. That's how you create your exercise 1.